Hello, welcome back to our tutorial. This time around, I'm going through a second work example on simple interest. We're going to look at number 1F in this worksheet that you see on the left hand side. Parameters given, the interest is $120. So this is 120. Principal is missing, the rate is 3%, and the time is 2.5 years. Okay, so your job is to find the principal and the total amount. Okay, no problem. Because the formula is there, I equals to PRT over 100. You have all these missing values. What we're going to do is substitute all the values inside the formula first. Okay, so I got 120 equals to P bracket R is 3% and time is 2.5. The whole thing divided by 100. Okay, so writing the numbers in this formula and using this formula is using your knowledge on simple interest. Okay, of course you need to know the formula and what to put, and that is using simple interest concept, right? The knowledge. But after you write all these things, it is just the same as solving an unknown value in terms of algebra. Okay, there's no need for you to learn, there's no need for you to look from the perspective of simple interest anymore. This is how you solve an unknown value. Okay, so your algebraic concept must be strong, guys. Okay, so how to find P? I'm going to remove this fraction by cross multiplying 100 multiplied by 120. So I get 12000 equals to, I'm going to simplify 3 times by 2.5, so I will get 7.5p. So at this stage, you ask yourself, how do we get the p value? So p is equals to 12000 divided by 7.5. And of course, you will just use your calculator to get this value, correct? So 12000 divided by 7.5 will give you a value of 1,600. So that means your principal is $1,600. Okay? So you find the principal, how to find the total amount? So again, A equals to P plus I, therefore 1600 plus the interest is 120, so it becomes 1720. Okay, so this is the total amount, whether it's a loan, whether it's an investment, whether it's a deposit or whatsoever, it is 1720. Okay, this is how you find the principal given all the other missing given all these values. All right, so next video we'll change the parameters. We're going to go through 1K where the interest, the principal and the time is given, but you need to find the rate. Okay, see you at our next video.